Hi, as you know, I'm Tony Stefani of Hillside Grocery Farm. It's going to be about middle of October, so our gears are kind of changing from tree work and growing into getting ready for the season and opening up our doors to let the people in for the selling season. So with that, I kind of wanted to express my thanks to you guys for following along and subscribing and supporting me on this journey into YouTube, and I think it's quite a lot of fun. I wanted to make this little video because I wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys want to know about, or anything that you have questions or so. Put them in the comments and let me know. I have a wealth of experience between myself growing up here and my dad who started it and his father before him. It was a different location then, but nonetheless, a lot of lessons, a lot of things that we've done wrong, a lot of things we're doing right, and kind of, it's why I created this channel to showcase those things and learn what we're doing. So anything that you want to know is fair game. Customer operations, I think that, spending some time and planning how you want to execute it. So let me know, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some good stuff.